I don't know what are up with these shad. They have like little divots taken out of the bottoms, like there and there. I don't know what happened to them. Let me know in the comments if y'all know what's up with those. I don't know, it's weird. I got something. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Flathead, maybe. Yep, he's pulling. It's raining outside right now, really bad. It's pouring. Yep, I think we got a flatty. It's on a 15-pound test too. Hope he doesn't break me. Oh, he's coming over here. This is good. All right, let's see him. Oh, he's a little guy. That's cool. He literally hit it seconds after casting out. I mean, I think it barely hit the bottom. Yeah, he's a little guy. Dang it, I have to land him alone. This is gonna be really weird. Stay right there. Want to hop down right there, but it's really wet right there. I don't want to hop down. So I'll do it like right here. Dude, I want to open the bail to get down there, but I can't. Okay, we're just gonna have to hop. How am I gonna do this? Okay, I did it. I saw tension on it. Yep. Okay. To go down there, I can't get down. I can't lay on my belly because I have the chest strap on. Oh, there's lightning and everything. All right, well, we got to get him up fast. All right, we got him. Yep. Oh, 7-8 pounder. I'm just gonna stay under this because I don't want to get struck by lightning. Yep. Right before the rain comes, flatheads come. Put him on the wall right there. Hope he doesn't flop. Yeah. Got our chest strap back on. We got the fish here and we got the rod down there. The rod has the bail open, so shouldn't go away. We'll just take him here. Get a measure on him. Here to there. 29 inches. Yeah. So we'll get a girth because it's not a scale. Chris is supposed to come out here, but he didn't set his alarm, so he's still sleeping. So he is 16.5 rounds. Then hop over to the calculator, and the formula to figure out the weight on these things is length times girth divided by 800. So it'll be 29 times 16.5 times 16.5 divided by 800. And yeah, that would be the weight. Okay. I did the calculator thing, and he ended up being 9.86 pounds, which rounds up to a 10-pounder. So yeah, we're gonna get the hook out of him real quick. He is barely hooked right there. See the hook just right there. These things have big mouths for their sizes, but yeah, I mean, just like that, the hook is out. So we're gonna go send a nice little flathead back onto the depths. Just gonna plop him right there. Hop down the wall. I'm gonna get the flathead. Then they're gonna go out into the rain. And we're gonna send the flathead back. Swam off strong. See you later, buddy.